Mr. Christian Weiss founded Draupadi Verlag in 2003. Right from its inception, its focus has been the publication of direct translation of works from Indian languages to German. Since 2003, 7 translation from Tamil, 27 from Hindi, 7 from Bengali, 3 from Malayalam, 2 from Urdu, and 2 direct translations, 1 each from Marathi and Kannada, have come out. At present, Draupadi Verlag is the only German publishing house that brings out translations from these languages. Over to you, sir.
Yes, it's not on. Yes. Thank you for inviting me to speak here, and I'm very honored to be here. And I like this Chennai International Book Fair very much. It's a great project, and I like the concept with these literary agents, and I'm really enjoying it. And I'm sure that there will be very good results. So the topic is shaping literary tastes, creating a market. Okay, so if we talk about this, how to create a market, then first you have to see what is the condition. In Germany, there are some people who like reading books. It's a minority, but still there are. And if you go to bookshops, we have very good bookshops in Germany. And then the big bookshops, they have a corner where they have Indian literature. And there you'll find names like Arundhati Roy, Amitav Ghosh, and Vikram Seth, Salman Rushdie, and all this. And so this is the condition. Germans basically like India and they like Indian literature, but only a very, very small segment of Indian literature. And what I'm doing, what Draupadi Verlag is trying to do, we are trying to introduce the Indian literature which the Indians like, and that is Hindi literature, Bangla literature, Tamil literature, and Urdu, and all these other languages. And we think that is the real Indian language, real Indian literature, and we try to promote it. And it's not easy because these, for example, Arundhati Roy, she sells millions of copies, and she has very good literary agents behind her. And if we introduce new authors that are unknown to the people, that is quite difficult. And so the question is how we are doing this. I give you some examples. So what we try, we try to select some. We prefer to have contemporary authors, living authors, and we like it if Indian authors can come to Germany, and then there are reading events, and then the Indian authors, they read from their works in the original language, and then the books are translated to German, and somebody reads from the German translation, and this concept has worked quite well. So we are working like this for 20 years now, and I think there are some successes, some small successes, some small results. So we have. Especially we were successful with Hindi literature because Hindi is now in Germany. You see, if you translate Indian literature, of course you need translators. Translators are very difficult to find. And from Hindi you can learn in Heidelberg and in some other places. So I would say in Germany I find 10 competent translators who can translate a novel from Hindi. With Tamil, it's more difficult. We have one translator, Thorsten Schacher. He has translated 2 books so far. And now, recently, I'm very, very happy that I found a new translator, and she is among us. That is Hem Mahesh. She's sitting here. And she has just translated this wonderful book, Sea Waves, Meereswellen, and I hope that we will do more books because although she is an Indian, but she can speak German very well, and she I hope we make more books that then we could really have a nice series of contemporary Tamil literature in German translation. And another one we have Perumal Murugan, one part woman, and Perumal Murugan, when this book came out 8 years ago, Perumal Murugan, he came to Frankfurt Book Fair, and we had a book launching session, and also that he was invited to Berlin to the International Literary Festival, and so this is what we are doing. And the third book, which I want to show, this is Topil Mohamed Miran. In my view, this is a wonderful book. It's a novel. Unfortunately, I cannot speak Tamil, so I cannot tell you the original title, but the English title is The Story of a Village, of a Sea Village. Story of a village at the sea, and this book I like very much. It's a serious book. It writes about social problems in India, but it's also written in a very in a way that you can enjoy reading it. There is some irony in it that I like very much, and so the topic is how to create a market. And so if we have such a book, then what we are doing, I told you already, so we are inviting, if it's possible, we're inviting the author that he and make reading tours. Another thing is we try that there are reviews in German newspapers and in radio. And for example, this book, we had a review of a very well-known German author. His name is Ilya Troyanov. And Ilya Troyanov, he read this book and he liked it also very much. And he wrote in a quite important German daily, he wrote a review and he said, this is a masterwork. It's a masterwork. And I agree with him. I think this is really a masterwork. And after, if such reviews appear, then people go to the shop and the bookshop and buy the book. And so in this, these are some examples how you can create a market. It's difficult, and sometimes it's like in the Greek mythology, the Sisyphus, how you say in English, Sisyphus? It's like the work of Sisyphus, but when I see here yesterday and today, I had so many talks with literary agents, and I saw so many Tamil literature. You have so many great authors and great works, and I think much more should be translated to German and French and other languages, and I'm really doing my best to do this. Okay, so I've given 2 examples. I have about reading tours and then reviews in newspapers, and what is so normally, for example, we have a very big newspaper in Germany, the Frankfurter Allgemeine Zeitung, and normally they don't, if I send them this book, they will not write a review. So it needs some, one has to do it again and again and try it again. But what is quite good, in German radio, it's not private radio, these are public radio stations. I'm not so familiar with the Indian situation, but I think you have all India Radio, and that's sponsored by the Indian government. I think all India Radio, and we have such radio programs in Germany, and they, when I send them these books, they they are quite open for Indian books, and they write reviews, and then it happens that. For example, the broadcast did a review of a book, and then a day later I get a phone call, and then it said, "Oh, yesterday I was going by car and I was listening to the radio, and then I heard that the review of this book, and that sounds great. I must have this book. Please send it to me." And these these are the great moments for a publisher when you have such a response, then when you see that the people like these books and they enjoy reading it. Okay, so what else can I say? Yes, I think we are what we are also doing. Is it my publishing house is called Traubert Verlag. It was founded 21 years ago in 2003, and since that we have published 200 titles, and half of them are translations of Indian literature to German. This is our main focus, and we have 28 translations from Hindi and 7 from Tamil and also the other languages. And in the last 20 years, we have built a network in Germany, and there are some people in all, I live in the south of Germany, but all over Germany, there are people who like this kind of books, and then we have founded an association. It's called Literature Forum India, and they have now almost 100 members, and this association helps me very much in my work, and we are doing once a year we have a conference, and then we also invite Indian authors. We didn't invite so far Tamil authors. I hope we can invite Tamil authors soon, but we had Hindi authors like Uday Prakash and Gitanjali Shri, and this maybe this I can tell you. Gitanjali Shri, she is a very well-known Hindi author, and in 2010, Traubert Verlag published her book Mai. Maybe some of you know it. I think it's a wonderful novel, Mai. And at that time, Gitanjali Shri was totally unknown in Germany and in Europe. But then, 3 years ago, she received the International Booker Prize, and now she is an international star. And that was also a big success. That Traubert Verlag was the first to publish her books in Europe. Not the first, but the first in Germany, yes. So this helps us to that then people realize there's not only English literature, not only Arundhati Roy, not only Salman Rushdie, but also Hindi, great literature written in Hindi, and so this was also a big help. But I wanted to tell about this Literature Forum India. So I told you that they make an annual conference. And they are also supporting my books, and they have a mailing list. And for example, when this book came out, there's Sea Waves, the book translated by Hem Mahesh. So then it came out in November. So just 2 months ago, and then Literature Forum India, they have a mailing list, and there are 700 addresses in them, and so all were informed that they have this book, and so this mailing list was sent to the people who are interested in this kind of books, and then some people bought the book, and I got very good responses from this book. But maybe we can do it. Maybe you have questions, and can we do it like this, so that somebody asks questions? Is that okay?
I want to know, how do you select books from Tamil for translation purpose? And also, how do you select books in German language for translation into Tamil?
Yes.
What is the procedure?
Yes, thank you. That's a very good question. So how do I select the books? Yes, that is, I can give a very clear answer. So I mentioned 3 books. And the first one, Perumal Murugan and Topil Muhammad Miran, they were suggested by Thorsten Schacher. I told you, Thorsten Schacher is a man, German, who can speak Tamil very well and is a very good translator. And so he was coming to me and said, I would like to translate these books. And you see that there are people like Thorsten Schacher, he's an expert on Tamil literature, and if he comes to me and suggests that, then I know that these are really good books. So I rely on experts who give me suggestions. And this book, Sea Waves, that was it was totally, the selection was done by Indians like him, Mahesh, and others, and it was supported by the Tamil Nadu Textbook and Educational Corporation, and they made the selection, and I think it's a very, very good selection. I tell you one thing, there are 10 short stories in this book, and I read many books, and recently I read the book of Alice Munro, the Canadian author who got the Nobel Prize a few years ago, and I read her short stories. But honestly, I tell you, this book, I prefer to read this better than Alice Munro. This is my personal conviction. I really think it's a wonderful selection, and so people like Thorsten Schacher and Tim Mahesh, they are really experts. They know this very well, and so such experts I have also for Hindi and for Bangla and for Malayalam. Malayalam have also a very good translator, Anakuti Findais, who can translate. She has translated 3 books. I tell you the names. I think you know these names. She likes poetry, and she has published 3 books in Draupadi Verlag, and the first was Satchidanandan. You know Satchidanandan, the great poet, and the second one was Owen V. Kurup. He's also a great poet in Kerala, and the third was Sugata Kumari. So they are all in Kerala. They are very very good names, the people, and they are adored in Kerala like gods. I've seen that. I've been in Kerala and I visited Kurup, and I've seen the people, they really like him, and so I have these experts, and normally I know when they suggest me a book, then I can do it. Yes.